Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to DM someone on Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logged into your Bigo Live account. Now tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the following option. Now select the person that you would like to DM. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see chat option. Tap on it. Tap on the message bar and enter the text. And then tap on the send button. And this is how you can DM someone on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.